Hey guys, welcome back to the Bravo Connection. Today I have a set of coilovers that I want to review for you guys. These are made by MAXSPEEDINGRODS. So let's take them out of the box right here. So looking at these coilovers, the first impression I'm getting out of these coilovers is they're pretty well built. Quality looks pretty good. This set of coilovers that I have here has height adjustment up and down. By unscrewing the bottom, you set your preferred height. And also it has dampening adjustment, so it has 20 clicks to the right for full hard or 20 clicks to the left for full soft. I'm kind of curious to see how much these actually weigh, so I'm gonna take them out, just the front and the rear coilover, put them on the scale and see how much they actually weigh. So I'm guessing it probably feels about 11-12 pounds, somewhere around there. You also get a set of tools. Pretty standard with any coilover. These are necessary to adjust the locking rings, so you can adjust it to your preferred setting. They're also going to give you an Allen key to adjust the dampening. In my opinion, you don't really need it, but it's there just in case you can't reach the adjustment knob. Alright, let's go ahead and put these on the scale and find out what the weight is on these coilovers. So this is the rear, 10.8 pounds. Not too bad. Okay. Let's go ahead and check the weight in on the front coilover. Feels almost the same. 10.8 pounds as well. Okay, let's go ahead and install these coilovers and find out how well they perform, or how bad they perform. We'll find out. Okay guys, so my first impression with these coilovers is obviously the dampening is a little soft. So right here I have it at the highest setting, the stiffest setting, and you can still see I'm pushing it down. Another thing is the front wheels, they're already at the max lowering setting, so you still get a 2-finger gap, but the rear you can actually tuck it in all the way. It's kind of odd, I don't know why they did that. But anyway, taking it on the road, First impression on this was it rides really comfortable. It feels more like you're riding on lowering springs than actually coilovers. For comparison, they kind of ride similar to the Tokiko Blues with H&R springs that I had on there before. Now, if you're looking for a performance coilover, I would look somewhere else. Obviously, based on the price, these are not performance coilovers. But if you're looking for something that's going to lower your vehicle and still keep a comfortable ride, definitely go with these. I recommend them for that. If you want to take it to the track, go get something else. I'm actually going to be doing a part 2 of this ongoing review, just showing you different ride conditions. So the next video should be more interesting on just driving around the road. Keep an eye out for that. It's coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.